Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis. We'll start the analysis from 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be looking at the current trend of the price action and present resistance and support levels. And when we look at the events plan for today is August 15th, Monday. We have lots of low impacting news, and we have French bank holiday and Italian bank holiday. And at 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our analysis. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame, it is still in a very nice bearish trend. We have noticed it taking support on the support level of 1680, and currently the price action is in a retracement or in a bullish trend. But it is very clear that it is finding very strong resistance around the resistance level of 1814. So although the current price action is in a bullish trend, it has not broken the previous high, which means the bullish trend reversal has now started in 4 hours time frame. Let me draw a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action. From this high, we have noticed the price action to trend on the bearish side. And currently when we notice the price action, it has tested this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, then retraced, but it did not break previous low. Again it started trending on the bullish side. And present price action has taken support on this bearish channel pattern, and currently it is in a bullish trend. It has not broken the previous low or this support line of the bearish channel pattern. And from the past price action we know that this level is a very strong resistance level. Let us wait and see if the price action can break this resistance level and continue the bullish trend. When we look at the past price action in 4 hours time frame also, I am drawing a channel pattern again. We have noticed the price action to go on a very strong bullish trend, but after testing this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, we have noticed the bullishness to get weaker, and it is starting to trend on the sideways. And when we draw one more channel pattern, we can notice that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, but the angle or the bullishness has become weaker. We have to wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1813 in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of this bullish channel pattern or the bullish trend. Or if you are still waiting for a bearish trend reversal, wait for the price action to break this bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Although the bullishness has become weaker, it is still in a bullish trend for now in 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading at the resistance level of 61.80%, which is around 1803, and if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance it's going to be around 78.60% of the Fibonacci's resistance level, which is going to be around 1837. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1780, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 4 hours time frame, and as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am again drawing a support line or the trend line. Based on this trend line, we can clearly notice that previously the price action was trading on a very strong bullish trend, and currently we have noticed the price action to trade on a sideways. The immediate resistance is going to be 1803 from the 4 hours time frame. Price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance from the 4 hours time frame, which is around 1813, which is also going to be the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. The candlesticks also formed a double bottom pattern, and it has also retraced to the 100% of the level where it started its double bottom pattern. We can expect a little bit of retracement to start, but only when it breaks the support level of 1780 we can expect a bearish trend reversal in hourly time frame also. Until this support line is not broken, it is still considered as a bullish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a resistance line over here, and we have noticed a price action to break this resistance line, and also it has taken support on this support line or the trend line from the 30 minutes time frame. So current price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bullish trend, and once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1803, we can expect the price action to continue its bullish trend. And if the price action bounces from this resistance level, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or the support line. And if this support line is broken, we can expect it to trend down and take support on the higher time frame support level of 1780. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is trading on a sideways. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1803 in order to take trades on the bullish side, or wait for it to break the support level of 1780 in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if you are a scalper, you can be trading within this resistance and support levels from the higher time frames. In which case, please don't forget to keep your stop losses. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, based on this trend line, previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and it has found resistance at the resistance level of 1804, and currently we are noticing the price action to break this trend line or the support line, and current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. If the bearish trend continues, we can expect the price action to trend down and take support on the 30 minutes time frame support line or the trend line. And if the price action breaks the higher time frame resistance level of 1803, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the overall price action from 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame is still in a bullish trend, trading within a bullish channel pattern. But we also know from the higher time frame that this whole zone between 1824 to 1813 is a very strong resistance zone. And if the bullish trend needs to continue, it has to break all these resistance zones. But as a trader, you have to only watch the trend of the price action. So the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend because it is trading between a bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, and once the price action breaks the support line of the bullish channel pattern, it will be a bearish trend reversal. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend. So I would recommend you to take trades only on the bullish side as long as the price action is trading above this support line or the trend line of the bullish channel pattern. Always remember to keep a stop loss and enter into the trade at the higher time frame support levels or resistance levels. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.